the LGB20 user here, and today I am going to show you guys how to schedule a community post here on YouTube. So if you guys didn't know, you guys can now schedule a community post here on YouTube. So if you guys didn't know that, you guys now know. So this is really cool. So I recently found out about this on my channel. So this is really cool. So if you guys want to write a community post and have it published later, you guys now have the option to do so. So that is really cool. So if you guys want to do a community post, you guys can publish it later if you guys want to. So what you do is go to your channel, go to the community tab section of your channel, and you guys will right here. Obviously, you guys know what the community tab is. You guys can add videos, polls, and images to your post. So okay, cool. And y'all can also give give shoutouts on your post as well. So y'all guys will see that there's two sections: published and scheduled. That's a new one now. So y'all guys should see all my published community post right here. So this is what has been published on my channel. If you guys got a schedule, I don't have nothing here yet. And I will say here, drop day post now and publish it later. So that is really cool. So let's say, did you know that you can now schedule community posts on YouTube? So you guys can see that that's my post right there. So let me put a question mark there, because obviously it's a question, or if it's a statement, it's obviously a statement. So you guys have post. If you guys hit post, it will post right away. But if you guys hit the down arrow, you guys have the option to schedule post. You click on the down arrow and you hit schedule post. Hit that, and y'all guys can choose date, time, and stuff like that. So today is March 8th. I'm gonna do it for March 8th. You can have it scheduled for the same day, but you will need to have it. Obviously, y'all have to have it ahead of time as well. So let's go to March 8th. Come on, March 8th. Let's go. Y'all guys can do time. You guys can pick a time by 15-minute intervals. Let's go. Let's see. Keep scrolling. Come on. Let's see. Let's say 2:45 p.m. today. This will be on my channel. The video will be published before this post is released. So once you guys have your date and time set, all you do is hit schedule, and bam, your post has been scheduled. So if you guys can check out your scheduled post, you also hit schedule, and there it is. It's ready to go for March 8th at 3:45 p.m. or whatever. So there you guys go. So that's how you guys schedule a community post. It's a really cool feature to have the option to schedule a post. So if you guys want to write a post but not post it right away, you guys can have it published later. So that's a really cool feature to have. This option is currently available. It's currently available on desktops. Currently, it's not available on mobile devices. I tried it on mobile devices and it's not there yet. Hopefully, Google and YouTube will bring this feature to mobile devices. So yeah. So if this tutorial helped you guys out, give me a thumbs up. You guys have lost me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.